Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into the world of vitamin B12. This vitamin is super important for our well-being, so it's key to know how and when to use it correctly. Let's start with the basics. What is vitamin B12 and what does it do? B12 is essential for making red blood cells and keeping our nervous system in tip-top shape. It's used to treat deficiencies that can lead to anemia, fatigue, neurological issues, among other things. So, how does B12 actually work in our body? B12 plays a big role in forming DNA and taking care of our nerve cells. If we don't have enough B12, our body can't make healthy red blood cells, which can lead to different health problems. Now let's talk about dosage and how to take it. Break time 5S. The starting dose usually depends on how severe the deficiency is. You can start with intramuscular injections or oral supplements. For maintenance, most people take between 1,000 and 2,000 micrograms per week. It's important to be aware of potential side effects. Although they are uncommon, some people may experience nausea, diarrhea, or allergic reactions. Always consult with your doctor before taking any supplements. To sum it up, vitamin B12 is crucial for your overall health. Make sure to follow your doctor's instructions and don't be afraid to ask them any questions you may have. Thanks for watching and take care of your health. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.